Doc, may halak po ang baby ko pero wala naman po siyang ubo. Ano po ang gagawin ko? Hi, this is Dr. Candice Iller and I'm a general pediatrician. No halak or gurgly chest is secondary po sa phlegm na notable po sa chest or sa throat ng ating mga babies, common within less than the first 6 months of age. However, this phlegm, notable po when they are lying down or after feeding, could be number 1, secondary to an infection brought about by example pneumonia caused by viruses or bacteria, or number 2, it could be secondary to allergy caused by, for example, dust or smoke or other allergens. Now, the most common cause po ng ating mga gurgly chest is what we call aspiration secondary to overfeeding. Now, remember, for example, for a newborn, the size of the stomach po kasi is para lang po siyang kalamansi. So, you don't really expect na marami po ang ididede or i-breastfeed ng ating mga babies. By the time they are 3 days old, lumalaki pa yung capacity ng ating stomach to a size of a siniguelas or walnut. By the time they are 1 week of age, na lumalaki din po yung size of the stomach to a size of a tomato or maliit po na orange. However, by the time they are 1 month old, para na po siyang malaking large na egg, no? So meaning, as they get older, the capacity of the stomach will increase. Now, the importance of this is, remember when you feed your child, if you exceed that capacity, if sumusobra po yung gatas na binibigay nyo sa capacity ng ating stomach, lalabas po ang sobrang gatas. At remember, the esophagus is just beside your bronchus na connected po sa ating lungs. So, the tendency is, if lalabas po ang milk sa ating esophagus and beside it is the bronchus, transfer po yung ibang gatas papunta po sa bronchus and then it will cause the phlegm, thereby causing aspiration or sometimes leading to pneumonia. However, there are times po na yung likod ni baby is clear but the phlegm is only here. So, important din po na magpa-check up and you bring the baby to the nearest pediatrician to check if clear po yung likod. However, important po, reminder to everybody na it's not good to overfeed your baby. Small frequent feedings is recommended. So, every 2 hours or every 3 hours po ang pag-feed. And important po ang pag-burp sa ating mga babies.